Hi Year 11. In this video, I'm just going to be doing an introduction to what to expect over the next 3 weeks while you guys are tackling your agriculture milestone task. I have actually changed the milestone task up. I know that you were expecting the aquaculture milestone that was combined marine studies and agriculture, but given the circumstances, I thought it was best to simplify that a lot for you and go with something that was a bit more familiar. So we're actually going to be doing a small dairy farming case study in lieu of that larger, more intensive aquaculture task. So this first video is just one to go over an introduction and what to expect over the next 3 weeks. So what to expect? I'm going to be explaining to you in this video the task and how it works. And following that, I'm going to be giving you guys a focus each week to work on in your tasks. So for the next 3 weeks, each week I'm going to upload a video that will give you a section of your task to focus on. So don't expect you to do this task all in one go. Certainly don't expect you to be spending hours and hours and hours a day at your computer. So I'll just be giving you guys small bits to focus on each week. I have set up a YouTube channel called Skillset Dubbo Offsite Learning with Rach. There is the link right there, and I'm going to take you guys and show you how that link works. So if you just click on the link, which I will be posting on Facebook for you, so you guys will have easy access, it should take you to a page that looks something like this. Any resource videos that I have for you guys to help you work through this milestone task will be posted in this channel under Agriculture Milestone Focus Videos. So if we click on View Full Playlist, you can see there that there is a bunch of really great videos. Don't feel overwhelmed. You don't have to watch every single one of these videos. Some of them are targeted towards specific questions. Where you don't have to know all of the information. You just pick one thing that interests you and you can come along here and you can open up the video that relates to that particular topic. So you don't need to watch all of these videos. Focus 1 is this week. So focus 1 is looking at part 1 of your task, which is called Inputs, Outputs and Processes, and it's going to be found on page 2 to 3 of your milestone task. And I'll be posting a separate video that's going into detail on how to do part 1 really well. Focus 2 will be next week, and it's going to be looking at questions answered from last week's task with a live video. If you would like to connect with a live video, that's awesome. If you don't, then it's certainly not compulsory. You don't have to hook into a live video, but it could be beneficial if you have some questions that you would like answered. And any questions that you ask are probably questions that others are thinking of as well. So it could be a really great place for you to get answers, as well as ask questions that other people are thinking of. Part 2 is going to be looking at dairy farm management, and it will be found on page 4 to 8 of your milestone task. And again, I will be posting a separate video which is going over how to do part 2 of your task really well. And focus 3 will be week 10, which is the last week of your schooling before you go on a couple of weeks of school holidays. Again, it will be questions answered from last week's task with an optional live video. It's focused on design and marketing, and it can be found on page 9 to 10 of your milestone task. And once again, I will be posting a separate video to show you guys how to work through part 3 of your task really, really well. So I hope that this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post them in the comments on Facebook or even on the YouTube channel. And I will get around to answering all your questions and helping you to work through your milestone task to the best of your abilities. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you on the other side.